Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Tribe Beauty Box for August 2019. This box is a bi-monthly box, so you get it every other month, $34.99 every other month plus $7 shipping. It includes one face product, one tool, one eye product, and or one skin prep product, and then it caters to makeup artists and those trying to build their collection. Sorry, I have to read off my notes because this one always it's just different than any other one. It says, oh, you get 5 things. This is like very specific. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below. So if you're interested in that, make sure you open that up and check that out. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. It's got some packing peanuts in there to keep everything nice and safe. Let's just go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing. Alright, so this is from Pierre Cosmetics, which is cruelty free. This is the HD setting spray, high definition makeup setting spray for lasting matte finish. So there's that. I do like setting sprays, but this is probably one I wouldn't use for my face. I just don't want a matte finish as you get older. At least for my skin, since I have dry skin, a matte finish just isn't a good look for me. I just look old and dry. So if you're younger, it's probably good for you, but for me personally, I'm not going to use this for a setting spray on my face. However, maybe I would use this as something that I'm needing to like wet a brush to put a shadow on. So yeah, got that. Okay, this box, I forgot, does not have the values of everything in here. So, like my other videos, I'll research the values and I'll put those in the description box down below as well to see if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, so that's the first thing, cruelty free, happy about that. I probably will use it, just not as for my whole face. Okay. So this next thing is from Cosmetics. Yes, Cosmetics. This is a Luxe lip treatment in the shade Pinwheel. So the packaging is kind of cute. There's that side and then there's that side. It does say on the back that it is cruelty free, so let's just see. Oh, interesting. So it says Cosmetics, but then down here it says distributed by Ruby May, which I think is also a makeup brand. I don't know, I got some email that I had to pick something out of this box that was from Ruby May, but it wasn't this. Oh, good God. Okay, so this is what it is. Let me put it real close. So it's like pink glitter. Eek. I'm probably just gonna save this for a giveaway. Pink glitter is just not my thing. Any glitter really on my lips. I don't know, I like shiny is fine, but glitter, not something I'd be into. So yeah, that's going into a giveaway. I don't want to swatch it, I just don't want to waste it when I know I'm not going to use it. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Cargo Cosmetics, which I believe is cruelty free. This is a powder blush in the shade Laguna. The packaging is really nice. It's like a recycled paper sort of feeling cardboard. That's the only way I can describe it. Blush is like probably my all-time favorite makeup item, so I'm curious to see what this looks like. Oh, I love that. So the packaging is like this nice little tin. Feels really nice. Whoa, that's bright. So there's the color. It's looking much more muted on camera than it is in real life. It's like a bright coral is probably what I'd call it. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. Ooh, it's like very orange looking. Okay, so there it is on my hand. You can see it's not like super, well, maybe it does look pigmented, but it seems like something you could, I mean, as a blush should, you can move it around to make it look much better. So see, it looks just a little, obviously I'm doing that with my finger, so it's not gonna look as good as a brush, but it's definitely bright, but I think if you use a light hand, it's something that you could definitely make work. So yeah, I'm excited to get that. I really like blush, so not mad to have that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from TheBalm, which is cruelty free. This is Priming is Everything Neutral Eyeshadow Primer. Here's the packaging. Their packaging is always the best. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's what it looks like. It's just like a neutral color, but it seems like, yeah, so it's a little bit, how do I explain this? It feels like a concealer or a foundation, like real, like wet feeling. That's the only way I can describe it. So I'm excited to try this, honestly. I like that it's not, I don't know, I like that it's like this. So I definitely will give this a try. I don't use eyeshadow primer every day, but if I know I'm gonna be wearing my makeup for quite a while, I do. I do have hooded eyelids, so I tend to crease no matter what, but primer definitely does help me to crease less. So definitely will give this a try. I love this brand a lot. They're just, I don't know, I like their packaging. I like that they're cruelty free. I think it's semi-affordable. It's not like super expensive, so there's that. Okay, the last thing I got, I kind of knew this was coming, and I don't know, I have like mixed feelings about it. I like when they at least ask your preference on something, but then it kind of ruins the surprise because now I knew this was coming. So I got this palette right here. This is from Ruby May, just like I mentioned. This thing says it's distributed by Ruby May, so I don't know if it's the same brand or what. But basically they emailed me and said, which 4 of these palettes do you want? And I gotta be honest, I didn't really want any of them. They are all crazy. So this was the one I chose. This is the one that I thought maybe I could use a color out of here. I thought this gold color right here, it's like a glitter, if you can see. So it's like almost like a glitter. I thought I could use that one. And then I thought I could use this shade right here, this white one, or like champagne sort of color. The other colors, maybe, I don't know. Let's just give them a swatch and see like how crazy they are. This brand is cruelty free, so that's good. Ooh, the glitter slash shimmers are super, super buttery. Ooh, that feels nice. So let me just show you the shimmers. Like, they're really good. I like those. Let's see. The mattes are garbage. So you can see the pink one, not very pigmented. And this orange one is like super, I don't even know if you can see that on my hand up there, but it's not great. But let's see, there's only 3 mattes in here, so I definitely think these shimmer slash glitter sort of colors are definitely good. Like, I will definitely use those. I don't know, maybe I'll use the other colors. But this was actually better than I thought it was gonna be. When I saw all those, I mean, and they were all crazy like that. They were all like, whew, like just bright, and some people are into that. I'm just not. I'm more of like a neutrals, maybe a pop of color. Like today I wore a little bit of green eyeshadow. That was pushing it for me. But this isn't bad. Like, I'm not mad about it now that I've swatched them. They're actually okay. So this is the #vibes palette. That's the one I chose. And maybe I can insert a thing of all the other options and you can see which one you would have chose. I would love to know what you guys think of the palette options. But anyways, that's all I have for this box today. What did you guys think of this box? I liked this box. I just don't know if this box is worth like $40-ish, like when you include shipping and everything. I might give it like one more month just to see. I don't know. What do you guys think? I would love to hear your opinions down below. It really helps me make up my mind when people are like, yo, that box is garbage, or no, that box wasn't that bad. So if you guys like this box, please leave a comment. If you hate this box, leave a comment. I'd love to know either way. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs who didn't want to be on camera today, hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.